Wagwan lovely people, today I am going to prepare for you some delicious Jamaican ginger juice. So come on and let's make this. So guys, here I have a cup of brown sugar. I like to use brown sugar. To me it has a better taste when I use it. But you know, you can always use a granulated sugar if you like. I have some ginger, so make sure you wash your ginger very well guys, and leave the skin on. Alright, so I cut them in some big pieces. So I will leave the correct measurement in the description box below. I have a green lemon. If you want to use a ripe lemon, you can always go ahead and use it. I have 2 green lime. I also have my water here. Alright, so I'm just going to be adding my ginger and some water into the blender. So I'm just going to set these aside. Then I'm going to add my ginger into my blender. Also gonna add some water. Add about 2 cups of water. So at this point I'm going to start blending and I'm going to puree my ginger. Guys, at this point my ginger is finished blending. So guys, here I have my big jug that I'm going to be making the juice in. So I'm going to pour all of this mixture in it. And of course guys, in Jamaica we don't waste anything, so we always rinse out our jug. So I'm just going to pour some water in there to rinse out. So guys, some ginger is in the cover as well, so I'm just going to hold it and shake it. So guys, I'm finished shaking it, so I'm just going to pour it into the jug. So now guys, I'm going to be adding my cup of sugar. So as I said guys, I may use more sugar, but you know you have to mix and taste it, alright? So you know you add the sugar to your taste. So guys, now I'm adding my lemon and my lime juice. Gonna give it a good mix. Okay, after I finish mixing, I'm going to give it a taste. So guys, I'm gonna add another half cup. You know this juice takes a lot of sugar, especially because of the ginger taste. So guys, after I finish mixing the juice, I'm going to strain it for about 2-3 times off camera, and then I return. Because you know you have to strain it more than one time so that you don't have any ginger particles in your juice. So guys, after you finish straining your juice, you just pour that goodness into your glass jug. If you want to add some ice, you can, or if you don't want to, just pour it in your place it in your fridge and let it chill. So guys, this is how I make Jamaican ginger juice in my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button if you haven't yet done so. Please share this video with your friends guys and your family members. Tell them about Tamara's recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers!